Usually, when I'm out hiking, I know exactly where I'm going, or I have some sense of where I'm going. I always watch out for the weather. I dress accordingly, and I tell people where I go. But like a place like this, where just down here there is no signal whatsoever, and right now it's summer, but let's say it's autumn and it's quite cold, at least in the nights, maybe even freezing in the nights, and I fall down there. I break my leg, and or something else, and I need help. I manage to contact someone, but I will probably freeze to death. That's why you need one of these. An emergency bag. I got these from Sierra Madre. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation, so I apologize for that. They're a US-based company, of what I've managed to find out. And this thing, you can use it as a sleeping bag, and it's also high visibility, so it's easy to spot you in nature wearing this. You can also use it as a shelter, and you can lay on it to keep yourself dry, because this thing, very, very light. It's waterproof, it's tear resistant, and it's windproof. I haven't opened it. Let's see. It's the only thing I've heard is that you will be rather sweaty when you use it, because it's water and wind resistant. It's very, very thin. I'm not going to open it fully because I'm afraid I'm not able to put it back in. But I'll give you a closer look. As you can see here, it has these reflective materials on the inside, which help reflect your heat. And this is probably something that will save lives. And I do absolutely recommend you having this in your car and in your backpack, same as you do with the first aid kit. This should be in the first aid kit. It's light, it's high visibility, and it can actually save your life. You can get it on Sierra Madre for $45, I think, right now. And there will be a link in the description for you. So at least check it out. And these guys have a lot of different stuff to an extremely affordable price. And have you ever set price on life? Probably haven't. But I think $40-50 is quite cheap for a life. Those guys sent me another thing. Although here in Norway we have very good clean water out in nature. We have streams and lakes, and you can basically drink straight out of it with no issues. But it's not like that everywhere. This is a pure water straw. You use this to filter dirty water. This thing has 5 years shelf life, so you can store it for 5 years before it starts to go bad. Let's see if we can open it. I'm really bad at opening stuff like this. There it is. Before I take it out, let's see, there is a user manual here. Oh, it tells you how to use it and what it's made of. And you can also scan a QR code. So, let's see. I'll get closer. It looks like a pen with a logo on it, Sierra Madre. Let's see if you understand this. Take off the cap, and here you have the mouthpiece that goes into your mouth. And you put this thing here, this end, into the water and you drink. When you're done with that, you blow out so that you empty this end, and then you can put on the cap. I don't know how many times you can use it before it's not able to filter anymore, but I'm sure this QR code will tell you, and it will also tell me. That's my bad for not doing proper research. Honestly, I've never considered something like this, but it's quite clever. If the only water you have are ponds from rainwater, this thing, and with this straw combined with that emergency bag, with these two, you can survive quite a long time out in the wild. You should absolutely check out Sierra Madre, and the link in the description in the comments. And yeah, go get yourself some life-saving equipment.